So to fix this, head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Snapchat. So when you find your Snapchat, just use your finger to tap on it for some while and you're going to see this. So what you have to do is to tap on this over here, to tap on it, and you're going to be in the app info of Snapchat. So when you get here, what you have to do is to tap on notifications. Then make sure the show notification is still good on. Then after that, you go back, then you tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. So after allowing every permission, you have to go back, then you tap on storage and cache. Over here, tap on the clear cache and go back, then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So make sure the background data is still good on. Then you go back, then you tap on force stop. Tap on OK after tapping on force stop. Then what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to search for Snapchat. So let's try to search for our Google Play Store. So tap on it to open it, then you search for Snapchat. When it appears like this, just tap on Snapchat and try to update Snapchat. So as you can see, this Snapchat is not updated. So what we have to do is to tap on update to update it. So after updating your Snapchat, what you have to do is to reboot or restart your device. So let's restart our device. So after tapping on the power button for some while, you are going to see this pop up. Then you tap on restart. Then you tap on OK. Then your phone is going to restart and the problem is going to fail. So the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.